In this video, I'm going to show you how to export brushes in Clip Studio Paint. Now, first you want to go to the left-hand side here and you want to click on the brush you basically want to export. So for example, here I clicked on brush and let's say this wet wash is the brush I want to export. So you can simply click on it and right-click it, and from here you can click on Export Tool. Now, when you click on this over here, you'll be able to see, of course, it's going to give it a name. You can rename it if you want to, and then you can save it wherever you want. That's, of course, if you want to export only one brush. However, you could also export a bunch of different brushes together, okay? So for example, you could click on them by holding down your control key. So if I click on the first one and hold down my control key on my keyboard, and then this one, and this one, as you can see, 4 of them are selected. That's the first way, but if you want like a long list, you can click on the first one, and then of course, for example, on this one while holding down your shift key this time, and then this is going to go and of course select a selection from beginning to where you clicked when holding your shift key, okay? So those are basically the two options you have, and then whenever you have multiple selected like this, you can right click, click on Export Tools, and here you can see it gives you two options. You could go and export them as separate files or export them as one group file. Whenever you're ready, you can just click on OK over here, and it's going to ask you where you want it to export, and you can just select the folder and click on Save, and that's going to export your brushes just like this. Now that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.